Yeah.
Yo,
How's everything going? Denzel, what's going on, mate? You alright?
all good, man. How are you?
Not bad, not bad. We got a big day for a lot of people.
Yes.
Getting some more funding, rock traders.
10 people are about to be lucky enough to be blessed.
Yeah, man.
So, with some nice accounts.
And a little birdie told me that you're waiting for a payout. Is that true?
Yes. Yes. It's on the way next week, guys. Just to
Mate,
show you that Funding Rock is no joke.
now I've got to say, and I've got to give credit where credit's due. I was actually going to do a story about it because it is quite impressive. There's
Yeah.
a lot of trading creators out there
Yeah.
that talk a good talk,
Mm.
but they don't really back it up. And I've seen everybody's back, all the back end and stuff like that of trading. You are 30, mate. I've never seen somebody pass a challenge that fast and get a payout in less than a week, man. It was pretty impressive. So fair play to you, honestly.
Yeah. We were just locked in. Literally, the minute September hit, I was like, yeah, this great lock-in thing, I'm not going to take it for granted. You know, everything I'm looking at, just sticking to one pair, one strategy, news events, and all of that.
Yeah, mate. Fair play.
Now we're here.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to post this on my Instagram. I'm going to switch it to yours and you can do your analysis because I know you're looking at GJ, no?
Yes.
And I'll just quickly do this. Mate, your chart is always so clean.
Yeah, I'm trying, man.
Fair play.
Yeah, so currently looking at GJ, guys. I've got a few people in the chat. Sir Jones analyst is back, gentlemen.
That's it. Void.
Top Night Ride. What up? Giveaway first like. Let's go. But yeah, GJ, I think we're going to be bullish for the day or maybe even for the week. Currently, we have just made a new higher high. So we have broken structure over here. Price is low key now being a little bit bearish. But I do think at some point, if I just draw my Fibonacci, I'm expecting price to come into this golden zone. And then from that point, we're looking to strike this towards the upside. So yeah, on the 15 minutes, the take profit is about 50 pips. So this could be a nice little trade if it plays out. So like on the lower time frames, I'm just waiting to see if we can find that nice zone. Currently speaking, nothing just yet. I would like to see price kind of slow down a little bit. So, just boom, 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 maybe form an inverse head and shoulders. Then from that point, higher high, higher low, shoot towards the upside and carry this all the way through. That's pretty much GJ on the 5 minute. Personally speaking, it does look a lot cleaner on the 15. So I'm just going to stick with a 15-minute view on this for now. The second pair I'm looking at is Dow Jones. So just got an alert. Wall Street opens higher as Fed meeting week begins. So I do think with US 30, we could be getting some buys. Let's go to 1 hour. Actually, it's sticky. I'm not going to look at US 30. Sometimes you don't want to force it. You don't want to force setups. So I'm just going to leave that.
Yeah,
so, yeah,
it looks.
For now, yeah, it doesn't look the best to even do anything. Personally speaking. So the golden setup for me, guys, today it has to be GJ looking for these buys. So like even last week we had a nice push towards the upside. Correction towards downside, making a little bit of structures, higher lows and higher highs for price to continue to go up. Even on the line chart, yeah, it's looking very nice and very clean. So we are just gonna wait patiently for this to play out.
That looks super clean. What chart is that on?
This is on the 1 hour.
That's a 1 hour chart.
Yeah. So what I like sometimes is when like all the time frames align. So even on the 1 hour, it's looking bullish. You know, if I jump into 30-minute, same vibe. So higher high, higher low.
That's a trade.
Jump into 15-minute, high. It's looking. Everything is aligning. Let's
Yeah.
go.
I might jump on the back of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that does look good.
So now we're just waiting around. Do you look at any other indices? Only US 30 and GJ. They're like top two. Sir Jones. Check the difference between your main data feed and US 30 FXCM. Crazy manipulation. So yeah, let's take a look at US 30 FXCM.
All right, I'm buy on that.
Yeah, it's just crazy. We've got Zeem in the house. What's going on, brother? What is going on? Everybody's ready for the giveaway.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the link of the giveaway in the chat just in case somebody has missed out, and you can take advantage of that. Just give me 2 seconds. I'll just put in my orders in. I'm just jumping on the back of Denzel's trade idea.
Hopefully, it plays out.
Yeah, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. That's the only reason I'm getting in it, because it does look good. It does look good. Yeah, bounce off the fibs and everything.
Yes.
Let me pop on. I'll pop on my chart right now, just in case you want to do something on your screen.
We're just waiting around now.
Mate, it's so annoying. So I had a really nice trade on pound dollar this morning off the open, and then I decided to get in on the EU, and I was like, oh, I've already had a really nice trade this morning, so ended up getting out of the EU just at pretty much break even before it just pushed up. And it's just like, what was the point in all of that? You know, it's such a shame. Such a nice trade idea.
You see, sometimes
set and forget.
Yeah, if I hit that TP on one day, I'm done. I'm not even going to think about looking for more opportunities. Sometimes the hand is itching. You say, yeah, let me go for another one.
Yeah. So
what levels on the fib do you use?
50.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50 when momentum's high, and then 618 mostly on crypto. 618 and the 66 on crypto is really powerful. On Forex, 50s. Please, sir, is trading real? Trading's real. You get payouts. You're talking about, is it real capital? Only if you get to the stage where you've given us enough data so we can actually handle you, then yeah. You'll go out to the market once we can positively see that you actually know how to deal with your risk. Until then, you're on simulation, but you can still get payouts on simulation. That's not a problem.
So trading is real.
Trading is real. And the money is definitely real when it hits your bank account.
I always find it funny when people have this whole negative connotation when it comes to trading. They think it's gambling, they think it's fake, they think it's this, they think it's that. I'm just like, guys, come on.
Do you know what though? Mate, I'm just a professional gambler then, man. I just know how to do it, you know, fine, whatever, you know.
I feel like it got to the point where I'm trying to explain it to people.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to convince them that trading isn't gambling. Then I just realized, you know what? You can't change people's opinions about certain things. I know myself trading isn't gambling. But to the other person, I'm just like, I can't change your mind. You've already made up your mind on that simple thing. So, hey.
Yeah. Too much waste of energy. Too much of a waste of energy trying to change somebody's mind, especially if they, you know, put some money in a trading account and then lost it straight away because they didn't know what they were doing.
Yeah.
and then they think that is just all. So, Alex, which pairs you got on your radar this session? To be honest, I've jumped on the back of Denzel's trade. I was originally this morning in a pound-dollar trade, and then I was in a euro, which I basically closed break even. But now we're getting. Now we're in this trade on euro yen. Which, Denzel, you haven't taken yet, have you? You're holding back.
Yeah, holding back.
What are you looking for to get your trigger?
Currently just waiting for this 15 minute candle to close, because it opened at 2:15, so it's 2:30, right? I mean 2:30. So within the next 4 minutes, if it does start to close with a little bit of a bullish move, then ready to go. Literally.
Yeah. To be fair, I've got my stop in the middle of the range, which is not ideal. Should really be at that low, but whatever.
Yeah. So it all just depends. Like the minute I start to see some bullish candles, I'm like, okay, we're ready to make some moves.
Yeah, I feel like yen gets super wicky. Like, we talked about this last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Comes in, wicks people out.
So I usually also look at the JPY basket.
Yeah.
So this is basically like the DXY for Japanese yen. So at this moment in time, it looks like it's made a lower low to make a lower high. So if the JPY basket decides to sell from literally where it's at now, it's basically good for us to go for them buys on GJ. So where we're at now, it looks very interesting to see. Hopefully we can get sells, because look at that on the 30-minute. It's a nice like break, potential retest to go down. So I will probably target this wick over here.
Yeah.
So once that wick is targeted, so now I'm kind of just looking for a reason to confirm my bias on GJ. If I was bullish, I'll probably have a different whatever. But because I'm bearish, I'm thinking, yeah, look, we have a break of structure down here. Just keeping it as basic as possible. So break of structure. Now we have that retest on this zone. Looks like we're getting that bearish candle. So on GJ, we should be getting ready to buy, in my opinion. A nice 16 pip stop loss. Easy.
Yeah, I like it.
So even if I just target the top up here, it's still a 1:2. So this is a 1:2.22. Lucky numbers, 222. So yeah, within the next 2 minutes, we're ready to rock and roll.
So you go really with like those breaks of structure, retest, prior highs, pre-break, continuations.
Yeah. Just try and make sure that everything kind of aligns.
Yeah.
So like even if a trade does lose, like I would want to break it down and be like, okay, why did that trade lose? Was it because of this? Did the London high get swept? Was there a break of structure? Things like that.
Yeah.
What's Neo?
Yeah, I was trying to work that. I was wondering what that was.
Neophyte trade.
Let me pop that in the. Okay. Neophyte is a beginner or novice.
Okay.
Or new convert to religion or belief system.
Shit.
Sounds yeah.
Harvardhan Singh. I have not seen you in a long time, bro. How are you doing?
Yeah, we're gonna have to nickname Denzel the GJ man because this guy is always on GJ man. I think you passed
Just trading
and got a payout just with GJ, no?
all GJ, yeah.
All GJ.
Yeah. I realize like sometimes, like when you first come across trading, you trade like the old watch list I used to have was like what was the watch list? Over like 50. Just I'll just be like literally just like this, just scrolling through each one. I'm just like, man, this is kind of long and it's going to be kind of tiring.
Yeah.
Obviously, you take a trade on gold, you lose. I'm just like, yeah, gold is not for me. Figuring things out. Then I just realized when I trade GJ, everything just kind of makes sense. Even though I do lose sometimes, but yeah, the wins on GJ, I'm just like, okay, if this is the pair that makes me the most money or makes me the most wins in trading, I might as well cut everything else out and just focus on this.
Yeah.
Like I even used to do GR30 as well before, like the indices on. Well, I preferred US 30 versus GR30. So
look at the DAX, man. Indices are nuts, man. I think the indices got a little bit too fast for me, to be fair.
yeah,
A little bit. Also, the DAX keeps coming back. Like when I used to trade, I traded a little bit of the DAX, and every time I'd get in the trade, then it would just come back on me all the time, and I was just like, oh,
See, one thing I realized about indices, yeah, this will be a gem for the viewers as well. It's literally round psychological numbers is what they like to go to.
Yeah.
So let's see if I still got my GR30. How long has it been? Anyways, yeah, they like to react off like round numbers. So when I used to trade, especially GR30, the minute I see it going to, let's just say right now, it's nearly at 23. We say 23,700 is where it's at right now. So boom. So I'll literally just draw a line at that round number and see, is price bullish, is it bearish? Then from that point, make a decision. That's that on the 30. So I think on the 15-minute, it's looking like this. So I think maybe it might buy, retest this, and a little move like this even. Just a quick in and out type of trade, Stop loss is just below. It's still a nice 1 to 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just basing off just that round number, Obviously, it's just a quick analysis, but usually I would have all the lines and stuff like that, EGP.
No, see the euro pound. I love it and hate it at the same time because when it moves,
Yeah,
it's crazy. But when it doesn't and it just ranges,
it's
with everything, to be honest. I'll tell you what, I get chopped up way too much in ranges. But since we're waiting to see what's going on, what we're going to do 5 accounts right now. Going to do a little bit of a giveaway to 5 accounts, and then we'll do the other 5 towards the end. So I'm just going to let me pull this up.
Okay. How many people are locked in with us right now?
Waiting.
Let's go.
Everybody's got to make sure that they're signed up through the dashboard, though.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, it's going to be a nightmare for me to.
The giveaway is happening right now, guys. Let's share this.
5 right now. Let me make sure that. Oops. Okay. kind of just pulled them out already by accident. Raul actually got one as well. Fair play. Okay, how am I going to do this? I'm going to have to read them out, guys. So normally I'd pull them up on the screen like so, but I've just clicked a button and it's just pulled them out in a different way. So I apologize. Yeah. But let's do this. It's got some people's information on here. I'm going to just hide some of it. Oh, Jitender got an account as well, huh? Phew. Go on, Jitender.
He manifested that. You were saying that last week. Congratulations.
Yeah, man. Fair play. Okay. Okay, so those are all the winners for the 5K accounts. Okay, so we've got 3 10K accounts remaining, but my bad because I clicked the wrong button. So you got Pravin, Yosef, Jitender, Jackie, Hannah, Raul, and Adamu.
Yes. Congratulations, guys. Really and truly.
Yeah.
Just because the account is free, please don't take that for granted.
Yes.
Pass phase 1, pass phase 2, get a nice payout, please.
Could be the start of big things.
Yes.
Definitely.
Congratulations, guys.
Let's see what's going on with our GJ right now. I think we're good. I think we are good. So each one of you as well got that. I'm gonna put that on IG just in case you're not here. But make sure you go into the back end, you sign up to the dashboard, and you'll see the account in there tomorrow.
What a lovely way to get into Monday NY session. Free 5K account. Then tomorrow we're back again.
Yeah, man. We had Kelsey on this morning in London. We're going to have to get all 3 of us in here, to be fair.
Yeah. Nice little crossover.
Yeah. It's getting a little bit sticky. It's not really doing much, huh?
Nah. So now it's just still on the bearish side. So what I would want to see is for it to at least just break above this little area here. The minute we get that break above this, we should be Gucci. We really should.
I do think so as well. Let me have a look at EU. EU Pro. Is it just me or EU looks like it wants to come down a little bit? Not a lot, but...
EU. What time frame are you looking at it?
I'm looking at 5 minute. What you're looking at?
5 as well?
That's exactly what, yeah.
Yeah, nice. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Let's go.
Possibly back down to retest those prior highs pre-break, which would be around about 1749 maybe. Maybe, but it's already gone by the look of it.
If only we were here at 245 when this candle was being formed, we could have been in some profits.
Maybe.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Maybe.
See, that's what I hate the most sometimes when you open up a new chart and you're just like, yeah, I actually would have entered that trade and had that perfect setup. All that. Like,
it's also the problem when you look at a lot of pairs as well. If you just like bounce off, look at loads of different pairs.
Yeah. That's why I feel like just having, maybe 3, 4,
Yeah.
and follow on a day by day basis. Because like on Thursday I was trading. On Thursday I had a setup on GJ, but the setup was actually from Wednesday. Then Thursday I had a setup that I sent in. This is the one that I took for one of the accounts. It was like this, nice 1 to 3. It ended up pushing all the way to nearly a 1:10, man.
Shit.
It's those ones I just said to myself, if I should have held it, this would be a different conversation. But the plan was a 1:3. I got that 1:3, so there's no complaining, but it's just, you never know when a winner is going to happen,
Yeah.
Which is shit.
To be honest, some of the most painful trades for me is when I got out early and they run. Like, I don't mind losing. Losing's fine. But if I get out of a trade too early and it starts running,
yeah,
I'm like, that for me is awful. So, Jitendra, do you want a 5K funding rock evaluation, mate? Fair play. There you go. Oh, wrong. Put this on. Yeah, I just love the way that it's come back onto the EMAs, 50 fib highs, back into an area of demand.
Yeah.
There's a lot of confluence here, to be fair.
I would just play the waiting game.
I heard they caught that guy that killed that. What's his name now? That Charlie kid.
Yeah,
Left wing, man. Left wing is savage. They're savages in the US, man.
Yeah. I feel like sometimes the way social media is now, like when you see the video, you just numb. You're just like,
It's a new weapon, isn't it? Social media is the new weapon.
It's normalized just to see somebody just getting bang. So, whoa.
Yeah, it is. It's crazy. Crazy what's going on.
Indeed.
Yeah, Jitendra, you'll get, so everybody that got the giveaway, you'd get, as long as you've got your same email that you've used for the giveaway is the same email that you've got on the dashboard. You'll see the account in there tomorrow.
Yes.
I do want to do a big giveaway though. Something, like a big one, but we need a milestone for that one. Maybe one for C Trader.
Yeah.
I can't wait till we get C Trader. Do you know what?
I've actually never used it.
You never used it? You're just MT5, MT5, huh?
Yeah. Even like Trade Locker, this is like my first time properly using it. It's actually easy enough to follow. Or like, like when you first start trading, MT4, MT5 is just, then you kind of just linked in.
I gotta say, the MT5 app on the phone, much easier to use than C Trader, to be fair.
Yeah. MT5 is beautiful.
Yeah, MT5 for that, I'll give them that. It's pretty good.
They make
but
good.
Desktop C Trader takes it easy.
Let's go.
Easy. What about Elon Musk when he was live to the UK, telling them that need to fight or die? What? What? I missed that. When was that? Elon Musk is nuts, man.
Yeah. He's got like 13 children, no?
Mate, if I had his type of money, I'd have more, man.
And he's also South African.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't know about Elon Musk. I'm just like, yeah.
He's nutty though, isn't he? You gotta give it to him. Like you gotta be a special type to to decide that you want to make a rocket and
Elon Musk.
have 13 children by like 5 different women.
When he had his last child, he gave that child like some weird ass
XR65,
yeah,
something like that.
some funky name.
Yeah.
You know what I think would be nice on the Funding Rock site?
Go for it.
Do we have a leaderboard? What are your views? What are your views on having a leaderboard?
My views on having a leaderboard is that it entices too many traders to lose their money.
True.
But it is good. It's good for marketing. So for the firm, it's good. For the trader, it's bad.
Yeah.
So it's like the handoff. What do you want to do? Do you want to good for marketing? Because when you can see people making good payouts, big payouts, and big accounts, it's great marketing because you can see that it's been done. But however, when you're in profits and you suddenly get on like the top 10, and then you push to 6 or 4, and you've got good money resting in, suddenly you want to become number 1. And people blow up like that.
Yeah.
But it is worth it's worth a thought.
It is. Yeah, because usually when you see it, you just say, yeah, this guy is on the. This guy has a 100K account and he's up 50K. You just say, whoa.
It's nuts.
How?
Somebody been risking big. It is one of those though. You either like. Sometimes, if there is a really good setup and you kind of, there's sometimes where you've got like this intuition where price is going to go.
Yeah. You don't think twice. You don't even hesitate.
You're just like, that's it, I'm in. Then I don't see any reason why not to size up like 2.5-3% on this trade, as long as you're not going to blow it.
If you're feeling confident, let's go.
If you trust in what you're doing.
Undefeated man, my goat Denzel. Who are you, brother? I need to know your name. But you are my goat. If that makes sense.
Denzel dope, bro. We're a peaceful nation in South Africa. I think Denzel actually knows.
Yeah. We are peaceful, brother. Come on. This is what we do. He must be trading gold. I like his picture. AI. Cartoon. Undefeated man. I think Alex the only one that doesn't know my name. I don't know your name.
I just call you Void.
Yeah.
This is Yen, mate. This is GJ. This is GJ. Let's have a look at that EU trade. See what EU did. Yeah, he's pushing that. There you go. Fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck, we missed that, didn't we? Yeah. Fuck, that would have been perfect. That would have been perfect. Let's have a look at USD CHF. Oof. Okay. Maybe. Where's no way. No way.
Yeah, not Alex. Sir Jones, please. I wouldn't mind that. Do me a free AI image, please.
For a free account. If you make it a good AI image, if it's like the best, I'm talking about if you send it to us right now, and Denzel's like, you know what, I'm gonna use that, then we'll see what we can do for another 5K account. Why not?
Let's go.
It has to be something, out of this world, man. He's has to be. He's not easily impressed.
Yes. So, Sir Jones, Alex, you heard the offer. The ball is in your court. But time is of the essence, though. So, if I were you, do what you gotta do.
What is the spread on? We'll have a look on BTC. Let's have a look. Trading BTC with prop firms in general is like, But let's have a look on Funding Rock.
See, the only reason why I like BTC is because I can trade it on the weekends to get the trading days in.
Mate, the spread is really not that bad. Look at that. On crypto, that's really not that bad. That's what? It's hardly anything. That's on a 1 minute that's on a 1 minute chart. So you're good. You're good if you want to trade crypto.
Not bad at all.
Not at all. Actually, you know what? I didn't even know the spread was that good, and I bloody work here. Let's have a look.
The spreads on Funding Rock.
They are good. They are good.
I highly respect.
What is Bitcoin doing in general, man? I've stopped looking at crypto. Just hardly more. It just looks bullish as shit, but I don't know, like here maybe we've got a deeper, maybe a little bit of a retracement, I don't know. Solana just looks like it just wants to push up.
Yeah.
ETH broken out a little bit. What, break, retest, continuation? Maybe. Australian dollar. Wow, that hardly even broke out of its Asian range, man.
Yes.
Undefeated down for here, maybe. BTC UDD. What is UDD?
Could be a typo.
Congratulations, mate. Make sure you're signed up on the dashboard, and tomorrow you will see the account there. On weekend, Saturday morning, I can start sharing my 2 cents in Discord. I set orders and go on my day. I don't spend time behind the charts. Jones, when are we going to get you in a trading room, mate? Get your setup. Get the setup already, mate. Get your camera. Get it sorted. Oh. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I think we are decent on GJ.
Come on.
I think we are decent. Wicked. That's what I like to hear, mate.
I'm working on the setup. Let's go, baby. Let us go.
To be fair, it's quite lucky I've moved the stop, because to be fair, it looks like it wanted to just like raid this area. So the problem is as well, sometimes you can naturally think like this is like a pivot when it really isn't. It's so easy just to start putting like stops within the actual range, and I sometimes find myself doing it out of bad habit. What is going on? There's my rectangle. So you've got that range. Really putting it anywhere in between here, because price could just trickle down and still not break this low and still be in play, to be fair.
Yeah, something tells me from the point where we're at now, we should be getting good.
Let's have a look. I'm gonna pop your chart on.
We should be getting good. What I just noticed was we had this candle here, right? So I have this indicator on my screen that shows me like imbalances and stuff like that. So I did notice it came into that zone, filled in this gap, FPG, whatever you guys want to call it. So yeah, I think possibly from this point, we should be preparing to enter some positions. Because like now, depending on how the next candle closes, because this is the same candle I said, it depends how I want to see it close. It closed a little bit bullish, you know, but yeah. Now within the next 4 minutes, we'll see how this candle closes. If this candle closes a bit bullish, then I think that GU setup is valid until tomorrow morning. Because yeah, tomorrow morning, guys, we do have news. And we have a claimant count change tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and average earnings. It's medium impact, but it's still gonna do something to GJ, you know. So it depends on how long this plays out. If it plays out, then it's good. If there's nothing, it's also good, you know. So that means if there's nothing today, we'll come back tomorrow. Depending on how this news event comes out, then yeah. Well, for the day, I still think we got plenty of time. It's only 3 o'clock, so I do think at least price is most likely going to come back up here, in my opinion, on GJ. If we are bullish, then we check the JPY basket. As you can see, we're getting that respect that we're talking about. So if the JPY basket does decide to sell, we are 1000% getting those buys on GJ. But yeah, it's just a waiting game at this point, really and truly. It is just a waiting game. How patient can one be? Can FOMO start kicking in? I don't know.
FOMO's a bitch, man.
Yeah, it is.
FOMO is a bitch.
We were looking at Euro USD a second ago. Yeah, all Gucci. Gold is just pushing.
Gold is nuts, man.
Yeah.
It's quite nice because we've had a little bit more volatility today.
Yeah.
Which is nice to have.
See, I actually really like trading on Mondays. Because like Mondays, there's never really any news events.
Yeah.
And it's just pure price action. Nothing more, nothing less. Like, yeah. But usually there isn't that much news events on Mondays.
There is a prop trading, not a prop trading, like a prop firm event in London next week, I think. Don't know.
A prop trading event?
Yeah, like loads of, like a prop expo.
Shit.
Check it out, maybe. It's quite far from you, though, to be fair.
Yeah, low.
Yeah. Ireland's pretty far from London, man.
But it's a good day trip, It's, like flight-wise, it's only gonna be like
good content.
Yeah, like an hour max on the flight.
Good content.
A nice day in the life pending.
Yeah.
But I do
spending your first funding rock payout, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
On a flight to England. Why not?
Why not?
Then the good thing after that, payouts every week, which is amazing. From the 7 days, so from the 14 days to 7 days.
Yeah.
And I love how there was like it was hassle free. Literally,
Yeah.
once the trade is closed, just get that dashboard. The setting is just there waiting. There's
Yeah.
even a nice little countdown when you hover over the payout request. It says you can request a payout in 9 days. I'm like, perfect. I can wait 9 days. You know.
Yeah, it's nice as well. If you've got multiple accounts as well, you can have like one, spread across. That's the best.
Hmm. Yes.
All right. I think it is. Should we do the last bit of the giveaway?
Yes. Final call, guys. Final call.
Final call.
Yeah.
Let me just make sure that this is saved. So that's the 5Ks.
Harsh Vardan. I think this prop firm will be great. Yes. As I have faith in Denzel, sir. I've been watching him for more than 2 years, and Alex, sir, because of 5% was passed. Let's go. So
Well, he's been watching you for a minute.
Yeah, I remember like when I used to stream, his name always, because I always have to pronounce it slow, Harsh Vardan Singh. He's been around. Even if there's a few other people here that have a few names I've seen today that show love and show support. I appreciate that, guys. Really and truly.
What was it? So you used to do live trading and you used to do live trading rooms as well?
Yeah. Even like on my own personal YouTube channel, just trading whenever.
Yeah.
Then I just realized like sometimes it is draining.
Yeah.
Especially when there's nothing. But
you got to entertain.
Yeah. The worst part was I was doing it solo.
Yeah. That's
At least now
tough.
with you, we can actually go back and forth.
Yeah.
Read the comments, so it's just kind of more relaxing. But when you're sitting there talking to yourself, it kind of feels
awful, man.
Borderline insanity, bro.
Yeah, no, I agree, man. Doing live trading on your own, streaming, you just got to make stuff up, and especially if the market isn't doing, and you start playing and getting into trades that you shouldn't be getting into.
Yeah,
just to get a bit of action. But so I'm gonna have to just pull it like I did last time. I'm gonna cover the names because I don't want to put out anybody's name.
Information. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck.
Take a look. Okay. Don't know this fucking platform. Pardon my French. Let me pull this up. Okay, so we got Jones, Zondu, we got Mohammed.
That's it.
There's
more.
And we've got Mayanka. Anyway, let me pop him up onto the stream.
The first accounts we gave away, did we do 5 or did we do 7?
We did the full 7.
Okay.
So there you go. Winner, the 10K accounts.
Okay, we got winners from all around the world. We got India, we got London, we got South Africa.
India.
Nice.
Let me pull the other ones up as well.
Global. Congratulations, guys.
Oh, I love this way we're doing it as well. Super cowboy, but there you go, guys. Yeah. Take a picture. So all of you guys, make sure again you're putting the details, the same email into the dashboard, and then tomorrow give it until about lunchtime. you will get the accounts in there, and then you'll be able to trade on Trade Locker. Unfortunately, if you only trade MT5, we're gonna have to convert you, but it's a free account, so you can't say no, really.
Yeah. Facts.
That's it, Denzel. Are you gonna be holding this trade, or do you close before the session ends? How do you manage
Holding
trade?
it. Just going to hold it.
Yeah.
It's only 3 o'clock. It's either hold or head stop loss.
Okay.
And we go again tomorrow. But I do really think it's going to push.
Yeah, well, I'm staying in it as well. So tomorrow's London live trading room, if you guys want to come in, pop in, you'll be able to see what has gone on with that specific trade.
Yes.
And that's it. I hope to see more of you, obviously, getting payouts, getting funded, getting the certificate. Follow Denzel because he puts out a lot of content, some educational. Have you stopped with the educational stuff?
I'm going to go back in just for you guys to show you guys how we do it for Funding Rock, how we pass their challenge. So make sure you guys tap into that.
Sick.
The new video should be out this week as well. So you guys will see the behind the scenes and everything, guys. So
Nice.
yes.
All right, then. See you later, guys. Take care. Bye.